Good morning, students. Hope you define at your respective places. We were discussing this air pollution today. To continue this air pollution, we will start a new topic that is regarding this: how we can now reduce this air pollution, or how we can control air pollution. So, control of air pollution. This is our topic. There are various ways by which we can control this air pollution. We have got mainly three big methods. We have got three methods by which by which we can control this air pollution. First जो हमारे पास मेथड जो आता है that is separation of pollutants. How these pollutants can be separated, and there are various ways by which we can separate the pollutants in order to make this air somewhat comfortable, somewhat what we call for use. फर्स्ट जो मेथड हमारे पास आता है जो हम करेंगे, how we can mainly when we are going to fill up this petrol in our automobiles, we have got in the pumping station we will get two types of the petrol. First one is called as a leaded and another one is called as the unleaded petrol. This unleaded petrol की अगर हम बात करेंगे, unleaded petrol की बात अगर हम करेंगे, this unleaded petrol it produces what we call as less harmful or toxic gases. It produces less or harmful toxic gases and it also prevents, अगर हम इसकी बात कर लेंगे, it also prevents sparking या हम कहेंगे corrosion of spark plugs. इससे corrosion नहीं हो जाता है, किसका? corrosion of spark plugs, this unleaded petrol. First one, it does not produce the toxic gases. Second one जो हम इसका देख लेंगे that it prevents the corrosion of spark plugs and engines. वहां पर ये काम आता है and engines. This is one. Second one हम ये कहेंगे, अगर हमारे पास सल्फर फ्री डीजल होगा, अगर हमारे पास सल्फर फ्री डीजल होगा, दिस डीजल कैन रिड्यूस what it can reduce sulfur dioxide by 50 sulfur dioxide pollution rather by 50%. Sulfur free diesel, जो use of sulfur free diesel, it can reduce the sulfur dioxide pollution by 50%. So we have now how we can, that is the sulfur free and lead free, that is the unleaded fuel should be used for this what we call as the motor vehicles. This is the first. Second अगर हम बात कर लेंगे इसमें, second one ऑटोमोबाइल्स, गाड़ियां, जो गाड़ियां हमारे पास है, जो ऑटोमोबाइल्स हमारे पास है, that should be made more fuel efficient and automobiles should be made more fuel efficient and less what we call as this toxic, there should be less what we call as the effect on environment. Automobiles should be more fuel efficient. Automobile should be made that they should be more fuel efficient and less, there should be less effect on the environment. Second one जो हम कर सकते हैं, there should be the installation of catalytic converters. There should be the installation of catalytic what we called as catalytic inverters that could reduce कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड emission. उससे जो हम इंस्टॉल अगर हम ये करेंगे कैटालिटिक कन्वर्टर्स, दे वुड रिड्यूस द इमिशन ऑफ द कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड. दीज अगर हम इन कैटालिटिक इन्वर्टर्स की बात करेंगे, दीज कैटालिटिक कन्वर्टर्स हैव मेटल्स लाइक प्लैटिनम, पैलेडियम. These catalytic inverters have metals like platinum, palladium, and rhodium. These metals, they act as catalyst. These catalytic converters have metals like platinum, palladium, or they have rhodium, which act as catalysts. These catalysts हम बात कर लेंगे, they convert unburnt hydrocarbons into carbon dioxide and water. रखा यार. So this is the effect of these automobiles. हमारे पास they should be more fuel efficient, these have got less effect on the environment. There must be the installation of the catalytic converters. These catalytic converters, they reduce the emission of carbon monoxide. These catalytic converters have metals like platinum, palladium, or they have got the rhodium, which acts as the catalyst and they convert the unburnt hydrocarbons to carbon dioxide and water. थर्ड अगर हम बात करेंगे एक और इसी में अगर हम बात करेंगे एयर पोल्यूशन में, we should make use of reformulate gasoline. We should make use of reformulate gasoline to save ozone in the atmosphere. So we should make the use of these gasoline, that is the diesel, where this gasoline which save this ozone in the atmosphere. तीसरी बात, हमारे पास अगर हम बात करेंगे, now according to law, if we enacted the law, fuel efficiency या fuel refining policy जो हमारे पास है, fuel refining policy जो हमारे पास है, it must be changed. Fuel refining policy, it must be changed so that emission levels जो हमारे पास है वो कम होंगे, they will be reduced, वो कम होंगे. So fuel refining policy जो हमारे पास है, it should be changed so that the हम कहेंगे what we called as the emission levels, they should be reduced. हाँ, the most and the foremost जो मैं बात करूंगा, there must be, या हम कहेंगे there is the urgent need rather, किसका, effective traffic management, which is lagging in our country. There must be a effective traffic management. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर हम कहेंगे कि कोई गाड़ी खड़ी है, उस वक्त उस गाड़ी को अपना इंजन जो है वो ऑफ करके रखना है, नॉट ऑन, सो वो उसको रखना होगा। वी शुड मेक द यूज ऑफ नॉन कंबस्टेबल सोर्सेज ऑफ एनर्जी जो हमारे पास है, सोर्सेज ऑफ एनर्जी जो हमारे पास है, दे शुड बी डेवलप्ड, वो हम डेवलप कर सकते हैं। सो देयर आर सम ऑफ द वेज। हाँ, अगर हम बात करेंगे एक और पोल्यूशन की आज हम देखते हैं कि जनरेटर्स का हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं, खासकर रेजिडेंशियल एरियाज में। हम जो हमारे पास जनरेटर उनका हम बहुत कम इस्तेमाल करेंगे। जो हमारे पास इंडस्ट्रियल एरियाज है, इंडस्ट्रियल एरियाज में हमारे पास फैक्ट्रीज है, फैक्ट्रीज में जो चिमनीज है, दे शुड बी टॉल, वो बड़े होंगे, सो दैट टू रिड्यूस द रेट ऑफ पोल्यूशन एट द ग्राउंड लेवल। व्हाट शुड वी डू? एक और, that is the afforestation. We should plant more and more of the trees so that हमारा जो such trees या such plants which can fix the carbon monoxide easily, या हमारे पास जो अब suspended particle SPM जो हमारे पास है, to remove the SPM in the smoke, it should be filtered before releasing it into the air. Now we have got some devices which are useful in controlling this particulate matter, or we can say we have got some devices which help us in reducing this pollution. We will study them in the next video. Until then, goodbye. God bless you. Thanks.